What's up? What's
up, you guys?
We're back.
Thank you for tuning into our channel. If you haven't seen us before, thank you for watching us now.
Absolutely.
I'm Joe.
I'm Ty. And we're about to try. So here's the thing. Go ahead, babe. You do it.
So, we live in an area where there's international food, predominantly an Asian culture type food. We actually live in like a full Asian town.
Pretty much.
So we figured we might as well try some of these foods that are part of the culture to just see what they're like. The only thing is, most of these foods that we bought at the Asian market have no labels on them, so we have no clue what we're trying. This is bold. This is how much we love you.
I mean, we didn't want to go to the extreme and get like octopus and
I like octopus.
And horse heads and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, they have.
We just got the little basic stuff for right now. So
okay.
Which one to try first?
Let's start. All right. So we got a whole list of stuff.
She picked out most of it, guys.
So the first thing we're trying is this.
Babe, when did you get that? What's that?
I don't know. They're snacks, but there's a shrimp on them. So oh no.
Is that a shrimp or a crawfish?
Oh, maybe it's a crawfish.
Those some big eyes. Oh my god.
Do you want to smell it or you just want to go into it?
Nah, I don't want to smell it because if I smell it, I'm not going to eat it.
Right. You got to eat it. It's for the people.
Not for the people.
Okay, so this is... I don't know.
It's something with shrimp.
It's an Asian snack, and it's got shrimp in it.
You ready?
Ready?
1.
Oh, yeah, good.
It's not bad.
What do you mean it's not bad?
No, it's good. It's not much taste to it. It tastes like a round cracker or something. You don't taste like a cracker?
Yeah, but it tastes like it's got a peanut taste to it.
You're right. That too.
These taste like they're coated peanuts.
The part I just swallowed, it did taste like a coated peanut. Like the ones you tried before.
Want another one?
Sure, why not? Yeah, it's not bad, guys. So next time.
Hey, these are good. These are really good. Shrimp snacks. All right.
This looks like...
All right, so...
It's dry skin off somebody's foot.
These are... We know what these are. Dry bamboo shoots.
Bamboo shoots?
No, dry bamboo shoots, asshole.
She got me eating shit, bro. These are China. From China?
Yeah.
Where are those from?
Well, no. I don't know. So the thing is I don't know if these are supposed to be cooked or not. But I guess if one of us gets sick.
Oh, shit. I guess we'll know.
Oh, man. Don't smell it. Don't.
I smell it already.
Don't smell it. Don't. Ew.
Ew. Y'all, this don't like y'all grandma's.
This is what it looks like. Don't do that. Be nice. This is
grandma's
what it
feet.
looks like. Be nice.
I'm being nice. I'm scared. You ready?
Okay, go.
Oh my god, I can't.
Baby, where the fucking...
I know you lying.
You know what this tastes like?
Ass.
No. There's no way that they eat them raw.
They have to like tuck it with something.
No, they have to cook it.
They gotta cook it and stuff it with something.
You know what this tastes like? I promise you that I'm not being disrespectful. This is me just trying to try different foods, and I'm not being disrespectful in any way, shape, or form. But this tastes like when somebody has fungus on their feet and a dirty sock and somebody stuffs it in their face.
I can't stand it. Why would you do that?
So in case you like that taste,
there you have it.
Dry bamboo shoots. Ew. 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 Ew.
You picked it out.
All right, let's go for something more fun. Not fun. This is a Chinese plum. It looks like an apple.
Oh, it's a pear.
Oh, a
It's a
Chinese
China-
pear. Oh,
China pear.
a China pear. Yeah, China pear. It looks like an apple, but it's like a little softer than an apple. It's a little rough, so we had to wash it like 12 times. No, just take a bite,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
You got dentures? Oh, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's juicy, it look like. Oh, we need some paper towels. Let me grab it. I'll be right back. Go ahead, keep eating. It's good.
All right, so this, it doesn't taste like anything. Water. So it tastes like a pear, but it doesn't have much flavor to it. Like, maybe it's not cooked all the way. Maybe it's not done. Maybe they picked it before it was ready. Maybe we're supposed to, yeah, but like bananas when they are green, maybe this is not the right color that it's supposed to be. Maybe it's supposed to be a little brighter.
But all of them was this color.
Well, what do you think?
I like my pears with a little bit of flavor.
You took 3 bites. You
That's
didn't hate
true.
it that much.
That's true.
So, it's a Chinese pear that she hates, so she ate half of it.
Don't do that, babe. Quit.
No, it's not bad. It
It's
tastes
not.
like a pear with like a little less flavor,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so now, okay, no, that's like dessert maybe. So then there's this. I think these are spicy because they look, there's a guy crying on the front.
Why is that worms?
He's crying on the front. And I don't know if these are worms or octopus. Wait, it's gooey. It's gooey.
Well, you picked it up. Oh, go to the bottom. There's a little
What does
slit.
it say?
There's a slit right there
Oh yeah.
to open it.
All right, so these are called, I don't know.
There's
These
no-
are called these. Look at his face. Maybe it'll be spicy. Oh, they're individually packed. That's not a good sign.
Oh my god, is this gel? What?
I don't know, man.
Oh my god.
Wait,
No,
got-
feel it.
I don't know, bro. Just open. Fucking No.
What is this?
Wait,
Oh.
no, you gotta pull it out. You can't show them
You
like
can't
that.
pull it out. Look at this. Babe, this-
Damn,
Ooh.
man. You
Guys.
gonna eat all that?
This is worms, guys.
They might be worms. These might be worms. So it looks like this. Oh, look. It's like a... Ew, I think it's a...
Come on, man.
Oh, they smell good.
Oh, they smell like ramen noodles, the beef kind.
Shrimp kind.
That one too.
You're bold. Go
I'm
ahead.
not eating all this.
All right, go ahead. Ready?
Ready?
I swallowed it, though.
I'm not gonna lie about that one. The flavor is good, but the
But it
texture,
tastes like a fake shrimp.
the texture,
Shrimp.
I felt like, you know how you step on a worm outside when it's raining?
That's what it tastes like.
That's what it, when I was chewing it, that's
You
what
guys, I finished it because I'm hungry.
I finished mine too.
The flavor was good, but
The flavor was bomb.
I feel like it would be good in a...
in a pasta,
no, God.
in a stew.
No,
in
like,
a-
yeah, like in a soup, you know? In a soup. Oh, God, they're all over the place now. Okay, so, shit.
You wanna do this one next?
Go ahead.
So guys,
I
it
think
just,
those are, we know what those are.
what's this, radish? Pickled radish.
Radish. But those are supposed to be eaten raw.
This might look like it's gonna be a mess.
Here's a fun
There's
fact, though.
juice in it.
Pickled,
Be careful.
a lot of times, pickled vegetables are good for your digestion system. Yeah, they are.
No? What is a system?
No, your digestive system.
We can share that one.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Let me cut it in half.
So it looks like this.
Let's cut us a piece off.
Yeah, cut it in.
Ooh, it stinks.
Smells good.
It does?
Yeah, it smells like ginger.
I can't smell. Is it?
Yeah. No, it doesn't.
It stinks. Don't do that. Not a lot of these folk, babe.
No, it doesn't smell good.
I'm gonna give you the biggest piece.
You're rude. All right, so this is what it looks like.
I've never seen a radish look like that. So long.
It's because it's pickled.
But it's long.
All right.
It's just long.
So, strong. Go ahead. Oh,
It's not bad. Strong.
I don't mind it. You don't mind it?
I can fuck with it.
Oh. It's not bad.
It's not bad at all. Honestly, it's not.
No, I like radishes.
It's good.
It's pickled, so it just tastes like it's pickled. I kind of like it. Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's good. Not bad. Let's try
Yeah,
this.
no, it's not bad.
You want to try this melon out?
Yeah. Well, while you're cutting that melon, I'm going to open these.
All right.
So these are No, I'm not even going to try that. These are, let me show you. Oh, these are rice cakes. But I don't know. I think they're like some kind of a dessert. I think there's some kind of a dessert. We'll do that after, since I showed it off. Maybe we need a sweet taste in our mouth, right? All right. There may or may not be wine in this. But there's not. There is. Hurry. So, welcome to the Joe Show. I'm taking over. Just kidding.
You're so silly. Guys, you see how my life is? She's silly all the time.
All right, so.
What's in? Penetrating? What does that say? That's
These
it.
supposed to be cooked? They're
That's-
rice cakes.
Pin long hunk me
Wait,
go, me go.
don't say it. 'Cause you don't know how to say it.
No, that I can. It's pin.
Wait. All right, just take a bite. Pin something. They're pretty looking.
They got
They
flowers.
look like
on it.
this.
Is it flowers or
Oh,
bunnies?
it's too bright. I don't know if they can see. Here we go. Ah. They kind of look like big mints.
Looks like a bar of soap.
It looks like a bar of soap. Tastes like styrofoam.
I ain't gonna try and act like I'm gonna finish this. I ain't gonna do it. Oh God.
I wish I liked them. Rice cakes. They taste like rice boiled with a little sugar.
That's powder rice.
Rice cakes.
Mm-hmm.
Rice cakes. Uh-huh.
I can't stand you.
Okay,
So this is a
it
yellow.
gets more fun from here because we actually have like Asian hot peppers that we're gonna try, and we have milk prepared.
Almond
Okay.
milk. So this is a. This is the other. This is one side of it. It's a yellow melon.
It's like it's a Chinese melon.
I cut us a few pieces.
So look at it up close. She's cute. Oh, so go ahead.
She's pretty.
I don't think you're supposed to eat the seeds. Take them off. Yeah, seeds. Okay, so it kind of looks like,
Like honeydew, but cantaloupe type feel.
but it's white.
We can't eat the skin either, so we're just like.
No, you just eat the inside, like watermelon.
Yeah.
So it looks like this. Okay. Oh my god, this is so good.
I'm always looking at her first before.
I'm always looking at food. I'm just kidding.
Oh, that's good. It kind of tastes like cantaloupe. It's actually better than cantaloupe, for real.
You guys.
This is one that we're gonna keep, honey.
You guys need this. I wasn't picking my nose. This is so good.
Yo. Come on, babe.
No, I don't want any more right now. Oh, it's so good. It's like cantaloupe, but sweeter, kind of, right?
It is sweeter. Man, what?
Ooh, it's so good.
So good.
We'll use that as a chaser for our peppers. Okay, let's get down to it. Now.
Oh, the pepper.
Oh, shit. Here.
Juice everywhere.
The juice from these bamboo shoots just fell on the table.
Those bamboo shits took a shit, huh?
Okay. All right, so.
Bloopers. So I won't. I don't know the names of these peppers.
That's okay. It's an Asian pepper. It's kind of like a jalapeno, but I don't know. It had an Asian name to it.
Yeah.
We don't really know exactly what it is. Just take a bite. We have our milk here.
Come on, smack it.
Go. Marley. Ooh. Ooh, that's hot. That's hot. It's good. Oof. Wait, use the melon. Want melon? You don't like it? Uh-huh.
Guys, I just choked on it. Oh, God.
I'm gonna get hiccups. Oops.
Oh, God, guys. Oh, God.
That's hot. I just see the skin. Oop.
Guys, that was hot.
It was hot. Oh, it's hot.
Marley. We're cat mimes, guys.
Ooh.
Ooh. Babe, we got 2 more. I don't know.
I can't. That's hot.
My tongue is burned. Whew.
Mm.
Oh, shit. You okay? Baby, you okay?
Wait. Man, what's gonna kill this taste? Wine?
Beer?
I can't.
Bread? I can't close my mouth. I can't.
I'm not doing those other 2 peppers. Fuck this.
Okay, well, here's the other 2, because I ain't doing it either. Because these other 2 are hotter than that one we just had. There they go. Guys, we love y'all. My nose is watering. It's so hot.
Wait. Maybe one of these snacks will cure it. It's hot. I need something. Hurry. We gotta do something. Google it.
Friend, honey. Ah!
Google it. My eyes are watering.
Oh, shit. That was hot.
Ah!
Oh, God. You just scared me.
No, it's hot.
It's hot. Come on.
I don't want a whole slice of bread.
Come on.
No. It's like that.
Come on.
You guys,
I like hot, but that shit right now.
that's no joke.
That's burning. All right.
Well, let me wash it down with this drink. Because she seems like she likes it.
She does look like she would.
I don't know what it is. It's honey something. It doesn't say what it is.
I don't know what this is.
It's honey something.
Ooh.
You know what? These peppers, you ate so much. Fun fact,
What you mean?
these peppers were making me sneeze while I was washing them.
Oh, God.
Damn. All right.
All right, cheers. Oh, my God. I ate the seeds of the pepper.
Oh, this is good.
Can you imagine what my mouth feel like?
Oh my God, listen.
Can you feel it?
No, don't worry. Look.
It's hot.
Okay.
Oh,
is it
that's good.
Try it.
Try.
Oh, yours is better.
But she's good too.
Yeah, she's happy.
Mm.
She loves it. That's Marley. That's our cat. Anyways, okay. We had 2 more peppers. We can't eat them.
But I'll eat this bread though.
We can't eat them. So anyways, this concludes our haul. However, I'm going to tell you guys, we were going to make it bigger. We were going to make it longer. But we got into a fender bender after we posted that we were going to post this video tonight.
Yeah.
We got into a little car accident. So that took 2 hours of our time. So we had to make this one short. Everything's good. My car's got a little dent to it, but it's okay. Thank God for insurance. Thank you guys for following us. We will be back for more. We will be back for more. Happy holidays to everybody. Thank you for following us again.
Give us suggestions of what y'all want us to do.
Yes. Give us suggestions.
Like, comment, share.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe to our page.
Yes.
And she's hungry.
No, my mouth. Babe.
Thank you guys for loving us because we love you back.
I ate all the seeds. My mouth.
Bye-bye.
Bye.